Since 2021, there has been a concerning rise in cyber data theft and cybersecurity crimes, posing a significant threat to our society. Both the private and public sectors face mounting risks as they accumulate massive volumes of sensitive customer data. Ensuring essential data encryption and scrambling, both at rest and in transmission, is crucial for your cybersecurity policy, and Excelitte firmly supports this fundamental concept. Let's take a look how a ransomware could get us. This time it named Lucidus. First, they will made some socially engineered email that contains a malicious attachment. Then it will contain some Microsoft Office file, or a zip and RAR attachment, with embedded malicious JS, VBS scripts. It may also arrive as a spoof Dropbox notification email. When the malicious file is executed, it connects to an URL, hosting the main ransomware file Lucidus, and downloads it. Then, it encrypts the files as well as the network shares on the machine. The main binary of the ransomware then self-destructs after executing its payload. Finally, the thrill has become real. Your data is encrypted and cannot be recovered. Except you pay some money to them. But there's no guarantee that your file is safe, and the same thing can happen again. What a robbery! Luckily, Excelitte protects your data from all manner of ransomware attacks, such as Bad Rabbit, BitPaymer, Cerber, and several others. The good news is, you don't need to install a software or have a technical background to use Excelitte. It will secure all of your data in a simple step. Excelitte encrypts your files and uses 3 factors for login authentication, which means that your data is always 100% secure. Excelitte imports data from spreadsheets, encrypted both during transmission and at rest, all in an instant. Excelitte can capture 1 million rows of data from a spreadsheet, securely convert and create a database software application to host the data in approximately 40 seconds. You will need Excelitte if you have these cases. Use spreadsheets to store data and wish to have the data 100% secured in software applications in seconds. Have email files you wish to have archived and secured 100%. You have any kind of file on your computer server, personal computer, container, virtual server, and several others that you wish to make sure is 100% secure at the file level. Excelitte is the reliable solution with a 100% data protection guarantee, ensuring the safeguarding and fortification of any file in your cloud drive or stored locally on your computer in mere seconds. Enjoy seamless reporting and chart creation like in spreadsheets. With 256-bit AES encryption, 3-factor authentication, and automatic backups, your data is safe, retrievable in any format. In an instant, Excelitte generates web front-end shortcuts from your data. Safeguard your data effortlessly with Excelite's automatic encryption. Rest easy, knowing your information is protected at every step.